Hi everyone, it's Gail, and I am here with a quick bonus video today. I just wanted to show you the five Summer's Bloom journals, do a little flip through of each one, and I'll just buzz right through them because we have done them basically all together. But yeah, I just wanted to show you I'd finished them up, done the closures and all that sort of stuff. So we will just get started with this one. So off we go. Off we go. I think I'm in camera okay and everything. So this one just has the crinkled seam binding closure. You'll remember it's got the double lace on the spine. And let's see, I think this one is, I don't know if this is which one this is, but I have a little envelope and journaling card just tucked in the front here. And then let's just flip through. I'm not going to do too much describing because again, we did these pretty much all together. However, I will say that the digital that I used for all five journals and all the ephemera is from the Junk Journal Studio on Etsy, and the Summer's Bloom kit has enough for five journals and then some, let's just say. So this is an over-the-page belly band, so it does slide off. So, of course, you can write on this page. And we made one of those for each one. Thank you, Peg. And, yeah, just lots of colored papers, lots of fun ephemera. As you will recall, we made all the ephemera for this on the fly. There was very little that was pre-made. So this, that flips down. Yeah, it was a big project. So we've got a sideways belly band, and it's got this fun little booklet in it. And as I've said, I made those booklets over on Patreon. So the middle here, I just put a couple little flower charms on the string binding there. This one, again, just a lot of handmade ephemera in these. And then ephemera from the kit as well. So again, some ephemera, coffee dyed tag, just all sorts of funness. A lot of the tags have the Nuvo crystal drops on them because, well, let's face it, I'm a little obsessed with those. I love what they do though. They just, like this one, I just did the cracks of the pumpkin, and it just really makes it pop, especially on a digital, you know, that you need to give it a little bit of dimension. So fun little inked paper art index card there, dyed. Okay, there's that. This one, this flips out. Got it signed. And there's some extra ephemera in the back. As like I said, there was enough for five and then some, really. But yeah, I want to get these photographed, and they'll be just listed as I always do, the fairest way on my Etsy randomly. I'll just pop a couple up at a time, and so this one has the lace on there. These four that I'm showing you first, the fabric cover is a Kelly Ray Roberts cover, or fabric, I mean. Let's see if we can get this. Again, crinkled seam binding. And this one's all quilted. Okay. Machine quilted, let's just say. So I've got an envelope and some journal cards in the front pocket of this one. Fabric flip again, so you can flip it up and right underneath. Some of this fun paper. This must be the bee one. I think this is the bee journal. Yes, it is. So, yeah, few of them have a bit of a theme to them, like this one's the bee one. And they each have a page from Rhonda without an H in there. And then this one's got the gigantic journaling card, which is so fun. This fun paper, I'm not going to remember where it came from. I apologize. Here's the flip down on this one. Some spray stenciled paper. Again, we've got the Nuvo drops on tags and stuff in this one. Here is the booklet in this one, and it's got spots to write, a couple of fun little tags, and then an index card in the middle. They're all basically set up the same on that. So that's the Bumblebee one. And of course, I've got some bee charms hanging from this one. Little cluster with a few things tucked in. Some handmade paper. Lots of room for writing in these, even though they're decorated up pretty well. There's still lots of writing room. So this little thing has a tag here. It's just clipped on, and a journal card there. Fun little book page pocket, and a couple more pieces of ephemera in the back. So that's the bee one. How about I just set that aside? I can tie it later. Then this one, it has the pretty little lace on the edge, and then the crinkled seam binding once again. And it's got some extra color in it. I did a couple colors on this one. I just felt like it went with the ladies. Oh, this is the sunflower one. So, sunflower it is. So, again, like I say, some of them have a little bit of a theme. Here's the booklet, again, with the tags and journal cards and writing space and stuff. So, there's that one. Some of that fun transparent paper there. This, again, is the over-the-page belly band with a great big journaling card there. And just some fun things tucked in there. This paper is from Triple V Vintage here. And another fun card from Inked Paper Art. This is old wallpaper, and it's kind of plasticky. So that's kind of fun with just a little double journal card in there. And this is just tied. I didn't have any sunflower charms, so we just tied the middle of this one. Beautiful papers. Yeah, and then a few little things tucked in a side pocket there. Got the little cluster tuck there. And this one, again, with the pretty index card. That pretty pocket. This is the flip down in this one. And there you have it. So that's the sunflower one. This one, couple of laces, and I used some sunflower fabric from Triple V Vintage. I used it as the closure, and then I put a little bead dangle on this one. So that just all comes off, and then let's make sure I'm in camera. Okay, then we've got a few things here. This I'll point out because, as I say, there's no mistake that you can't fix. So when I was sewing this side was up. This side bent down a little bit. So I just went ahead and glued a little corner on it, and it just looks decorative. So, you know, like I say, you can always fix things. This is the butterfly one. That's right. This is the butterfly one. And here is the little booklet in it with tags and index card. Fabric flip. Such pretty digitals. This is a book page that was too long for the book, so I just flipped it up and made a pocket. Cluster tuck, little vintage piece of ephemera there with a receipt. And this is wallpaper. On this beautiful page, my friend Frida Gepner at Rustic Prairie Gems, she made this page. And so I included it. It had butterflies. This is the over the page belly band here. And once again, big old journaling card in there. So, you know, you can take the belly band off and write on both the pages and then put the belly band back on. I've got a couple little charms on in the middle of this one, little butterfly ones. There's the pocket and this pocket. This is the other side of Frida's little page here. And so butterflies and butterflies. This is the flip down in this one. This pocket kind of wraps around the edge and has some tags and whatnot in there. Okay. And here's the other side of that floral book page. Just has some journal cards in it to write on. Little sack, and it's got a journal card in there, and then it's also got some extra paper for writing on. And then this little tag and pocket. And then some extras in the back. So that is that one, the butterfly one. This one is the farm, and this is last but not least, the farm. And again, I did the tie with this sunflower fabric and then put a bead charm that I made on there. Okie dokie. Let's in camera. And this is a quilted piece. It's got chickens and the sunflowers, and then I edged it with outhouse fabric. And then this one's farm all the way. So we've got a chicken fabric flip. This is a little children's book page. And then this clips on. It's an envelope. I've got a tag there. And do I have it? Yes. That's it. And a tag here. And yeah, and then this one is more farm themed. And I loved putting the Nuvo drops on the tomatoes. That was just my favorite thing. Here's the little booklet in this one. And the belly band. Loved doing those belly bands. That was fun. Okay. Isn't that beautiful? So pretty. And then the over the page belly band here with a big journaling card. Love this tag. That one turned out really cool. And yeah, so, and then I've got a little vintage with farmers on there tally card, and then the journal cards once again. And then the little charms on here, I've got a scarecrow and this little Big Patch selected vegetables. So this has, instead of the index card, it's got a little piece that I made at Creativation when I was there in 2019. That went well in there. Just a little decorative cluster on this page. The flip down. And some vintage pieces with roosters on them in this little envelope pocket. And then this bag that I made out of the children's book there. This is fabric. And so we have, this is actually a wallpaper tag. And then the index card. This one with Mr. Rooster looking all gorgeous. And then this bag flips out so you can write on this whole page. It's got a fun little piece. I'm sorry, I don't remember. I've had this for literally years and not had a spot for it, but we found a spot for it. And then a little journal card in there. And then this flips out. And that's the farm journal. So there you go. We did 5 journals. 5 from that digital kit. So it's a bargain, that digital kit. So yeah, so my Etsy shop's always in the description box, but I'll highlight it a little bit. And yeah, just watch over the next, week or so, and I'll be popping those in. So thanks everybody so much for watching. Take care, have a grateful day, and we'll see you next video. Bye.